Want to know how to sign in or sign up to Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under the minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Raid Shadow Legends game. So once you have opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, you should be seeing two options once you have first installed and opened up the game. So we have also created a video on how to install your game, so make sure to watch that. So once you've done all of that, here you should be seeing Facebook right here on the bottom. So you can simply select any one of these two, your Plarium ID or Facebook. So in this way, I'm going to select Facebook. So once that is done, you need to just simply sign in with your Facebook account. And once every setup is done, you should be automatically logged in just like this right here. And now your resources should be downloaded and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.